In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to automate resume extraction and analysis using the power of Kudra and Make. Kudra is an AI-powered platform that's changing the way we handle documents. It extracts key information from various document types, including resumes. Kudra's AI is excellent at analyzing and extracting info from any document type, such as skills, contact info, location, education, and more from a resume. Kudra's platform has been trained on a massive dataset of resumes, which allows it to identify and extract relevant information with high accuracy with just a few clicks. Now let's create an automated workflow using Make. Our workflow will automatically fetch resumes from OneDrive, extract relevant information using Kudra API, and analyze hundreds of candidates in seconds with GPT. Finally, it will store the results in a Google Sheet. First, we need to integrate OneDrive to fetch resumes. We'll configure Make to search for resumes within a specified folder in our OneDrive account. This ensures that only the relevant files are processed. Next, we'll configure an HTTP request to send the resume to Kudra's API. This step will send the resume data to Kudra for analysis. Make automatically handles the necessary formatting and data transfer, simplifying the integration process. After Kudra extracts the relevant information, we'll use Make's Tools module to set multiple variables. These variables will store the extracted information like skills, name, certificate, education, and job title. We can use these variables to pass the extracted information to other modules in the workflow. The next step is to integrate OpenAI. We'll use the GPT-4o mini model and prompt it to analyze the candidate's skills and certificates. We can also add detailed instructions to guide the AI's analysis, for example, specifying which skills are more important or prioritizing candidates with specific certifications. This integration with ChatGPT allows you to add a reasoning layer to your workflow, enabling you to perform complex tasks such as scoring candidates based on their skills and experience. Finally, we'll configure Make to add a new row to a Google Sheet with the extracted information and the score generated by ChatGPT. This step will store all the relevant information in a structured format, making it easy to analyze and review. Now let's run the workflow and see the results. Click Run to start the workflow. Once the workflow is initiated, Make will fetch resumes from OneDrive, send them to Kudra for extraction, analyze the extracted data using ChatGPT, and store the results in a Google Sheet. You can monitor the progress of the workflow in real time and see detailed logs for each step. After the workflow is completed, we can open our Google Sheet and see the extracted information. The sheet will include the candidate's name, skills, education, certificates, job title, and the score generated by ChatGPT. You can now easily filter and sort the data to identify the most promising candidates. That's it. We have successfully automated resume extraction and analysis using Kudra.ai and Make.